So guys, there you can customize the frequencies of the RTX 2080 as well of the CPU too. So there you can put maximum settings, you can personalize the temps, but better still it's an automatic. You have the CPU values, you can change the memory values, the GPU values as well. So you can customize everything you want. Great settings. So guys, here it is, a quick demonstration of Battlefield 5 ray tracing activated, all maxed up. And as you can see, no lag, perfect framing. So let's go. Oh. You see how good the graphics are. Battlefield 5, maximum settings, ray tracing on, you see. Look at this. So as you can see, graphics are perfect. Look at ray tracing there. G-Sync 144 Hz. It's amazing. So now I can show you the graphics. You see maximum graphics. Everything on ultra. That's really amazing. This is photorealism. So here it is, guys. Forza Horizon 4 maximum settings on the Clevo P775. And you see how smooth the game is. 144 Hz G-Sync. Maximum graphics. Different views of the car. And the game is amazing. Graphics, superb graphics there. Enjoy, guys. Not lag at all. Full frame rate working. Sound quality very good. see how nice the graphics are, how smooth the game are. Very fluid game.
We just lose you.
So there, guys, a photorealism graphics from Unreal Engine 4, and as you can see, photorealism is a true reality with this laptop. Enjoy. This is a game, guys. This is amazing. Another demo, photorealism demo, and you see all the graphics are amazing. So there, guys, Mario Kart 8 on Cemu emulator with graphic mods, playing with the gamepad. Let's try it. As you can see, the game is really fluid. "60 frames. Cemu emulator. Play with the gamepad. So guys, here we have Zelda Breath of the Wild on Cemu emulator on the Clevo, and as you can see, it works really great at 60 frames per second. Look at the graphics, very good graphics. Graphic modes in full HD. Ends game mode, very interesting. I am playing with the gamepad, as you can see. It's really amazing game. Just to show you the graphics. So there's guy F1 2019 maximum settings. RTX 2080 i9 900K. And you see games are just amazing with this machine. Graphic quality is just perfect. Amazing quality for a laptop. Assassin's Creed Unity maximum settings, and you see how the game in terms of graphics are. Look at the details. The fun are really good. The cooling system in this machine is really good. And you see how fluid the game are. Let's make